How to convert PDF to Word document using Microsoft Word app. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect process. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I am on my Microsoft Word app. So I will show you how you can convert your PDF file to the Word format, okay, by using the Microsoft Word app. So first thing, we need to open that PDF file. Just go to the open and go to the open, and you can open your PDF file from your recent one, or you can go to the browse. So you can browse any PDF file. So so I take this one. This PDF will be open in Microsoft Word only. So go to the edit enable. Okay, so now this PDF has opened in Microsoft Word. Okay, so in order to convert it in Word format only, or you can save it as a Word format, go to the file. You can edit it if you want. You can add images and edit content. You can also add the content. After you done your customization or edits, go to the file, go to the save as, go to the export, go to the change the file type, select the document only, and go to the save as. And now you can save it as a new document in Word format. You have to make it sure that the save as tab is Word document only. You rename it and just save it. So now it will be saved as a new file as a Word format. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.